So hey guys, welcome back to the another video of R for Data Analytics series. So in this video, we will be learning about how to import the CSV file in our R environment and how to export the CSV files from our in our environment. So in this video, we will be learning about the three way to read the CSV file. So the first way, for example, I'm taking a variable here df. I'll use the syntax now. The read.csv command will use. Okay, the first way to read the file is, if you don't know the path, you just simply go to the path and select the file. For example, I have a my working directory is my document, but I'll select the file from the desktop my data. So I'll go to the desktop data and I'll copy this. Now I'll use this URL here. In the double quotes, I'll paste. I'll use this dot empty cars dot csv. I'll use backslash for all. Now I'll use control enter. So in my global environment, you can see there's a variable here. So I this has been read. Now the second is, when you know your working directory. So I know my working directory. So there's a file with the same name. So I'll use df data frame one read.csv, and the file name is empty cars.csv. So if I do press enter, the same file has been imported with another name. Okay, now data frame 3, the third way to read the file, read.csv. I'll use file equal to file dot choose. Now if I click control enter, if I do control enter, it will give me a prompt. It's not showing. Okay, so this is the prompt I have. Okay, this is the prompt. You can maximize by double clicking here. So this is my file. I can select the file and this will read. As you can see, there's a three variable here in my global environment: df1, df, and df3. So these are the three way to import the file in the environment. Now let's talk about the export the file. So we will use write.csv, and we will use our variable df. Then the output file, whatever you want to give the name. So I'll use sample.csv. Okay. Now if I do the control enter and I check my document, there's a file with the sample name. So this is it for this video. So if you like the video and you are new to the learning, please subscribe the channel and follow our series for the best analytics video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.